Hi Nikki. The question is, I feel like I've tried everything to get clear skin and yet I'm still unable to achieve it. Could you advise what the root cause is for my skin issues, please? Indeed, I can advise what the root cause for the skin issues is. Skin issues come back to nutrition and what we're putting in our body. It comes to our environment, what is coming into our body through our skin as well. But I want to focus on what we're putting in the body through the mouth. Now, skin issues are actually directly correlated to the reproductive system. Now, the reason this is so is because when we eat or put something into our mouth, it goes through a digestive process. And what happens is through that digestive process, the first thing that happens is that the plasma will take what it's meant to take. The blood will then take what it's meant to take or what it needs. Then the muscles will take what it's meant to take and what it needs. Then the fat will take what it's meant to take and what it needs within the body. Then the bones will take what they need and what's left over there for them. Then the bone marrow and the nervous system will take that extra little bit that it needs. And then the reproductive system gets what's left over. So basically every bit of food we have goes through that process and the reproductive system gets what's left. All the other layers above will take what they need first. And if there's anything left for the reproductive system, then it will get the nutrients, amino acids, or whatever it needs. Now, how does this affect the skin? Well, because in the skin, we have those same layers. And when the reproductive system isn't getting what it needs, the skin is the surface that it shows that it's not getting what it needs. So when we talk about acne and skin issues, the reason why there's acne and skin issues is because the body or the reproductive system isn't getting the nutrients, amino acids, minerals that it needs. And why this is because how the taste we're having for life. So we're putting these foods in our mouth, which may not be great for us. But there's also this energy coming into us as well. So the reproductive issues are directly correlated with the skin, which is directly correlated with our mind. So what we need to look at first is clearing and dealing with the bitterness that's in the mind, where there's no nourishment in the mind. Nourishment, nutrient deficiencies are in the mind because the mind isn't nourished. Because the mind has got trauma there, which is from your childhood. So when we can deal with that trauma that's in your childhood emotionally and release that out of the mind, so then your brain can ease and you can come back into your body. And then if you follow the protocols I'm about to provide you for physical nutrition to help the reproductive system, you'll notice your skin change within weeks. So what I'm going to invite you to do to support your reproductive system and your whole body to then support your skin and change what's happening with the skin is to take these herbs. Shatavari, Shatavari, it's a natural herb. Ashwagandha, Ashwagandha. I want you to take those 2 capsules, take capsules daily. Take 2 of those capsules daily. Then on top of that, what you're going to do is have half a cup of aloe vera juice daily. Have 1 full avocado daily. And an interesting thing I want to share with you about an avocado and how it relates to your reproductive system. So if you get an avocado and you cut it in half and the seed's still there, what does it look like? Looks like a pregnant belly, yeah? So the avocado is telling you it's for your reproductive system. And the last thing I want you to do is have a warm milk in the evening, whatever milk you drink, mixed with half a teaspoon of shatavari powder and half a teaspoon of ashwagandha powder. Follow these protocols for 4 to 6 weeks, and I guarantee you'll have amazing results and your skin will shift. On top of that, though, I want you to focus on your nutrition and focus on what you're putting in your body. You need to look at all natural sources of food. And we need to look at your body design. Now, as I feel for you, the best one we can look at would be the emotional body design. So we're going to look at foods that are naturally sweet, astringent, or bitter in taste. If you'd like to fast track this healing process, if you want support to deal and release that trauma that's there from childhood, I can support you with that. I do one-on-one intensives, I do retreats, or even do courses where we work through that and you get to learn all about it as well. So if you simply go to www.uniquecommunity.com.au, go to experiences and it'll have all those experiences there. Choose which one's right for you and go ahead and book in, and I look forward to seeing you then. Otherwise, follow the protocols I've provided you, and I will be excited to hear back from you about the great results you have. Take care. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a doctor, however I have doctors that support me on the other side. So when I can see dysfunction in your body, they support me to understand what the dysfunction is and also how to treat that dysfunction. I also tap in to my studies in Ayurvedic medicine to support with understanding the dysfunction and how to treat the dysfunction. However, if you have any concerns, please don't hesitate to go and see your doctor as the first point of call.